Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I am back today with another wig review. Now I am working with a new company by the name of Luvwin hair. They reached out to me and asked me to review one of their wigs. So this is the wig that I picked out to review for you guys. So I'm definitely going to give you guys the tea on this wig because I do have a couple of cons about this wig and I definitely want to let you guys know all about it. But if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap, then I will get into more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
All night, all I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night, constant drinking and love songs. She got me up all night, down and out with these love songs. She got me up all night, drowning out with these love songs. She got me up all night, all I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night, constant drinking and love songs. She got me up all night.
So before I give you the deets on this wig, Luvwin Hair did send me a couple of goodies. So they sent me a bonnet, they sent me the edge brush, they sent me some wig caps, they sent me, what else did they send me? A headband, and they also sent me an elastic strap. All right, so as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you guys 3 combs, but there's actually 4 combs in this wig. There's 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 in the center front. This wig also has an elastic band, which I did have to take out because it just wasn't helpful for me. I think the elastic band should be a little bit longer. I adjusted it and it didn't do anything for me. I don't know if I adjusted it incorrectly or what. And then how it is designed to put into the wig, I think it needs to be more secure because it was very easy to come out. So I went ahead and I took the elastic band out of this wig and just used the combs, okay? So let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. All right, so again, this wig is from Luvwin Hair. This is their Highlight HD Lace Frontal Body Wave Wig. Now, the length that I have is 20 and it retails for $299 even. Now, of course, if you do not want to pay full price, you can use Afterpay, which will divide the payments into 4 payments of $74.75. So let me go ahead and give you guys some more deets. Now, this does have an HD lace. It's more versatility, glueless install, comfortable, flawless melt with scalp, protective style, 180% density. It's 100% virgin human hair. It has bleach knots. The hairline is pre-plucked, deep pre-plucked, and it is upgraded. Lace type is Invisible HD Swiss lace. Once again, 180% density. The cap construction is 13 by 6. And once again, it has 4 combs inside. So as you guys also saw, this wig did come as a middle part, but once again, it is a 13 by 6 lace front. So you are able to part it, you know, side, middle part, whatever you want to do. You have that ability to do that. But I went ahead and I made a side part because I just was not feeling the middle part. I didn't make the side part too much like I wanted to because I would really have to get in there and do some plucking and all that stuff, and I didn't want to do that just yet. So I went ahead and just did some type of, you know, side part. I did put a little hair wax on this hair, went through it with my hot comb. I'm gonna have to play with this some more because I'm trying to get this front frame going on. I haven't been able to get it how I want. But yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the lace. Now, the lace is HD, but I did notice that the lace is rough. Okay, it was rough to me, so I don't too much like that. But the lace is HD. I really do like that. Now, the wig caps that they sent me are HD as well. I did put one on. You can probably see just this area where my wig cap is at because it kind of slid back. My hair is wet underneath, so it definitely slipped back. But aside from all that, I'm loving the hair color. The hair color is so pretty. I love a highlighted type of wig like this. I love the, you know, the blonde and the natural black. I believe it's natural black, but it's really cute. I do love the hair color. Now the length again is 20 inches, not too bad. Not too bad at all. And the hair texture is body wave. Now sometimes I'm not a huge fan of body wave because the wave falls so quickly, but this still has a, you know, a couple of waves in there. And I think because it's highlighted and it's highlighted with a, you know, it's darker hair and then it's highlighted, I think it looks better with the body wave. If it's like all a solid color, I probably wouldn't too much like it, but this looks fine the way that it is. So it is glueless. You can wear her glueless. All I did was cut the lace off and use the combs. You do see my hair a little bit. But yeah, she is glueless. I did show you guys in the clip before. But she is really cute. I'm loving this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how she looks in the front, the side, the back, and the other side. So real cute. Like I said, I'm gonna go back in and fix my part, try to do something because it's cute, but it's just not, it's not doing what I need it to do. So I'm gonna go back after I finish filming this video and fix, you know, the parting and whatnot. Now I did go off camera to put the wig on after I had show you guys the lace and all that because I needed my hot comb, and where I'm filming today, it's really nowhere I could put my hot comb, so I had to go in the bathroom. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. But she is really cute. I really do like, I like this wig. She's cute. She is cute. She might be a little too small for me. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I took the elastic band out because it wasn't helpful for me at all, okay? But I do want to thank Luvwin Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments, have you heard about Luvwin Hair? They are a new company, so you probably have not heard about them until now. But you guys let me know down below how you feel about this wig as far as the texture, color, length, all that stuff. Would you rock this wig? How does this wig look on me? And you know, y'all know the drill. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you in my next one.
Got me up all night. All I'm singing is love songs. She got me up all night.